Hello everyone, it's March again and usually March is graduation season. Dahil graduation usually ang nangyayari sa isa sa pinaka-importanteng kaganapan sa March. Prior to COVID pandemic, ito yung isa sa mga nakaka-excite na event sa mga buhay ng mga nagsunog ng kilay. At gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo ang isa sa mga espesyal na nangyari sa buhay ko nung ako ay pinalad na bibigyan ng full scholarship with free board and lodging sa loob ng 4 summers from 2006 to 2009 ng Ateneo de Manila University sa Katipunan, Quezon City. Thank you sa Jesuit Fathers sa generosity nila ng pagbibigay ng walang kapalit after finishing my postgraduate study ng Master of Arts in Philosophy. So sa mga naging classmates ko at saka naging mga professors, both lay persons at saka Jewish priests, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart and my heartfelt gratitude for such opportunity to become an Athenian myself. And like an eagle, like a blue eagle in particular, I will soar high in whatever way I can to help and also to give back to society in whatever way. I think this vlogging is a way to give back for such kind of kindness and generosity I got from the Ateneo community. Thank you. Lastly, sa mga estudyante dyan, you aim high and hit the mark. Mag-apply kayo sa mga gandang schools like Ateneo, get scholarship, and become the best person that you are. Have a nice day and